This is the BEURER BY40 electric breast pump kit. You have 10 pumping levels to choose from, as well as 10 stimulation levels, which is great at making the pumping and application process as comfortable and effortless as possible. You can easily choose your preferred option by using the LCD display, and it has a memory function which records your preferred setting, saving you from having to flick through the controls. It uses mains and can be battery powered, helping you to express on the go and without having to pump manually. The pump simulates a natural drinking pattern by using vacuum technology. This will make the process so much easier on your body and helps you to care for yourself. The milk will be stored in the bottle that has matching screw caps. However, it comes with adapters for Avent and NUK bottles, giving you the ability to be flexible and save on needing multiple breast pumps.